In this video, we will discuss about different platforms for Amazon affiliate marketing. If you are new on this channel, subscribe the channel and watch the video till. Let's start. Amazon is a prime choice for affiliate marketers. To leverage the Amazon affiliate program, marketers need suitable platforms. In this video, we will explore various platforms that can enhance the success of Amazon affiliate marketing. Number 1. WordPress as a powerful CMS for Amazon affiliate websites. WordPress is a widely recognized content management system that provides a robust foundation for Amazon affiliate marketing. It offers flexibility, scalability, and a plethora of plugins and themes designed specifically for affiliate marketers. With WordPress, marketers can create professional websites, optimize content for search engines, manage affiliate links effectively. Notable plugins like AAWP, Easy Azon, and Thirsty Affiliates enable seamless integration with Amazon and enhance the overall affiliate marketing experience. Number 2. Website builders tailored for affiliate marketing. For those who prefer a user-friendly approach, website builders dedicated to affiliate marketing can be an excellent choice. Platforms like Wix, Weebly, and Squarespace offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces, pre-designed templates, and built-in features that facilitate the creation of affiliate websites. These platforms often integrate with Amazon and provide customization options, making it easier to display product information, reviews, and affiliate links. Number 3. Niche-specific platforms for Amazon affiliates. Some platforms cater specifically to niche-based Amazon affiliate marketing. These platforms provide comprehensive tools and resources tailored to specific niches, enabling marketers to create niche websites with minimal effort. Examples include GeniusLink for book affiliates, ShopStyle Collective for fashion and beauty affiliates, Gear Patrol for tech and outdoor enthusiasts. These platforms often offer additional features like analytics, content optimization, monetization opportunities. Number 4. Comparison shopping engines. Comparison shopping engines are platforms that aggregate product listings from various retailers, including Amazon. By joining these platforms, marketers can showcase product comparisons, price listings, and availability to attract potential buyers. Popular comparison shopping engines include Google Shopping, Shopzilla, PriceGrabber. Through product feeds and affiliate links, marketers can earn commissions when users make purchases through their referral links. Number 5. Social media platforms. Social media platforms present vast opportunities for Amazon affiliate marketing. By building a strong presence on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest, marketers can create content that engages their target audience and includes affiliate links. For instance, YouTube creators can produce product review videos, unboxing videos, or tutorial videos that showcase Amazon products, while Instagram influencers can feature affiliate links in their posts and stories. Pinterest allows marketers to create visually appealing boards and pins, driving traffic to their affiliate website. Number 6. Content monetization platforms. Content monetization platforms offer avenues for Amazon affiliate marketers to monetize their content and increase earnings. Platforms like Skimlinks and VigLink automatically convert product links into affiliate links, allowing marketers to generate income from their existing content. These platforms simplify the affiliate marketing process by eliminating the need for manual link creation, making it ideal for content-driven websites and blogs. Number 7. Email marketing platforms. Email marketing remains a powerful tool for affiliate marketers to engage with their audience and promote Amazon products. Email marketing platforms like MailChimp, ConvertKit, and Aweber enable marketers to build subscriber lists, design visually appealing newsletters, and automate email sequences. Number 8. Coupon and deal platforms. Coupon and deal platforms cater to bargain-savvy shoppers looking for discounts and promotions. By partnering with platforms like Honey, RetailMeNot, or Brad's Deals, marketers can offer exclusive coupon codes or deals to their audience. When users redeem these codes and make purchases on Amazon, marketers earn affiliate commissions. Coupon and deal platforms are particularly effective in driving conversions and attracting price-conscious buyers. Number 9. Mobile apps and review platforms. Mobile apps and review platforms play a crucial role in influencing purchase decisions. Platforms like AppBucks, AppRedeem, or Best Reviews allow marketers to promote Amazon products through app installations, reviews, or recommendations. These platforms often incorporate affiliate links, providing a seamless user experience while generating commissions for marketers. Number 10. Review and comparison websites. Review and comparison websites provide in-depth analysis, product reviews, and recommendations to help consumers make informed purchasing decisions. As an affiliate marketer, creating a dedicated review or comparison website can establish credibility and drive traffic to Amazon. Platforms like CNET, Wirecutter, or Consumer Reports have successfully implemented affiliate marketing models, showcasing the potential of this approach. So, in the end, we say, having the right platforms is crucial for Amazon affiliates to succeed. By leveraging the diverse range of platforms available, marketers can optimize their strategies, generate more conversions, and maximize their Amazon affiliate earnings. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel to watch the incoming productive videos. Don't forget to share and like the video. In case of any query, write in the comment section.